Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of reporting fraud to Wells Fargo. If you suspect that your account has been compromised or you've experienced any fraudulent activity, it is crucial to act quickly to protect your funds. Follow these step-by-step instructions to report fraud effectively. Step 1. Gather your information. Before you contact Wells Fargo, collect relevant information that will help expedite the reporting process. This includes your account number, any transaction details you suspect are fraudulent, and any communications you've received regarding the fraudulent activity. Step 2. Contact Wells Fargo customer service. The first point of contact should be Wells Fargo's customer service. You can reach them at 1-800-869-3557. Be ready to provide your personal information for verification purposes. Step 3. Report the fraud. Once you are connected with a representative, explain your situation clearly. Inform them that you believe you have been a victim of fraud and provide them with all the information you gathered in Step 1. The representative will assist you in initiating a fraud investigation. Step 4. Review your transactions. While you are reporting the fraud, take the opportunity to review your recent transactions. Look for any unauthorized charges and make a note of them. This will help Wells Fargo in their investigation. Step 5. Change your online passwords. For added security, change your online banking password immediately after reporting the fraud. Consider enabling two-factor authentication for an extra layer of protection on your account. Step 6. Monitor your account. After reporting the fraud, keep a close eye on your account for any unusual activity. Check your statements regularly to ensure no further unauthorized transactions occur. Step 7. Follow up. Once you have reported the fraud, ensure that you follow up with Wells Fargo regarding the status of your report and any actions taken. You may receive additional communication from them regarding the investigation. Remember, acting quickly is essential when dealing with fraud. By following these steps, you can help protect your funds and resolve the situation effectively. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more valuable tips on managing your finances and staying secure.